All right, there's some gaming glasses. I mean, we've been here before. I've done this. Like, I've seen these. I have another pair of these. Like, what? I mean, they look cool. Yeah. Okay, I can see really well, but like, what's the difference, you know? What is this? Okay. Now I get it. What's up everyone, and welcome to the RA Visuals YouTube channel. So a couple years back, if you guys have been around the channel for a bit, I did a video on some gaming glasses that I purchased from a company called HyperX, and I've been using them basically every day while using my PC, whether it was for gaming or video editing, until a company called Gamer Advantage reached out to me and sent me their blue light blocking glasses kit that you see right here. I'm gonna tell you right now, guys, this is a whole lot more than just another pair of gaming glasses that block blue light from your monitor. So let's get into this box and see what they sent us. Get rid of that Windows 10 watermark and start saving with URCD Key. URCD Key offers deep discounts on games and software with my own special promo code. Purchasing your key is super easy. All you have to do is click on the item you want, click buy to add it to your cart, and then once you're in your cart, you can go ahead and enter my promo code RAV20 for 20% off of your purchase. After adding the promo code, you'll see your savings pop up, and you can then purchase your product with your chosen payment method. Finding and entering your Windows 10 CD key is super easy. All you have to do is go to your user profile, find your purchase, and click View Keys and Codes to reveal your new CD key. Then all you have to do is go to Settings in Windows, click on Update and Security, click on Activation, and finally click on Change Product Key and enter your new key into the window and click Next. You'll now have a fully licensed version of Windows 10 with 0 watermarks. Check the links in the video description to start saving now. First up in the box is the Fog Away Spray. Now this comes in a 2-ounce bottle like this, and it is your solution to prevent fog buildup due to heat, cold, or high humidity. And their formula is silicone free and goes on clear with no hazing. And the coolest part is that it is safe and effective to use on all lens types, even those with an anti-reflective or super hydrophobic coating. In layman's terms, that just means it repels water. So like a perfect example of that would be like your snowboard goggles, or even something like my hockey helmet that has a visor on it, which is notorious for getting fogged up because of the cold ice and then like my hot breath and stuff like that. So this Fog Away right here keeps all of that from happening. Next is the lens and the screen cleaner. So this stuff is safe and effective on all lenses actually, screens and optics, and their specially formulated made in the USA cleaner is streak free and utilizes nanotechnology. And again, this comes in a 2-ounce bottle right here and is your tool for getting those lenses free of residue or debris after heavy use. And honestly, it can be stuff like this, even like a camera lens like I use on my cameras. And now moving on, we have a microfiber cleaning cloth right here. So ultra soft, non-abrasive microfiber cloth is safe for use on delicate surfaces and cleans with their spray cleaner if you want, or without it, while also keeping your lenses free of lint and streaks that may impair your vision. This cloth is also great for cleaning many other things. Like I said before, this thing can actually be used on stuff like a camera lens if you'd like, and I use it for that all the time and it works great. And speaking of keeping things clean, the next item they sent us is their docking station. That comes with this little kit right here. And this is meant to aid in keeping your glasses safe while not in use, while you prevent, scuffs and scratches from your lenses without, just throwing them on your desk. You can actually stick them in this little guy right here and keep your glasses safe, and while also kind of looking cool on your desk. So it's actually a pretty cool little addition they throw in this little kit. And now speaking of keeping your glasses safe, we also have a foldable and collapsible carrying case right here. So this lightweight and durable hard shell case will help you protect your glasses when not in use. All you got to do is pretty much open this thing up, stick them in there, and there you go. And then if you don't want to, you can actually go like this, and you can actually fold these in and put it away in this little tiny little guy right here, honestly. And then whenever you want to use it again, you unfold it, throw your glasses in there, especially like when you're away or something like that, and you're ready to go and your glasses are protected. Next, we have this little pouch that not only holds your glasses to keep them clean, but also doubles as a microfiber cloth if you want to clean off your lenses when you need it to. So it's very convenient when you just want to have this thing in your pocket or your bag and you don't have the other cloth with you. You can just actually clean your lenses off, and then when you're ready to put them back away like that, you just throw them back in this little package right here, this little bag, and you're good to go. And of course, we have the glasses themselves. So the style I asked for is called the Sandbox, as they have sort of this sandy marble type look to them, and they were able to ship mine with my own prescription as well. So obviously I can see my script a lot better now, so that's awesome. And these glasses provide the most protection from digital devices with the least color distortion. So they protect your eyes and offer you a proven solution that helps from both short and long-term side effects associated with digital eye strain, including headaches, dry eyes, blurry vision, screen glare, eye strain, and tired eyes. Look, we've all been in the middle of a huge edit, and we've been there before, right? So while improving cognition and sleep in as little as 5 days, you guys. And we'll talk more on that later in the video about how these guys want to help you sleep, because Gamer Advantage is huge on too much, digital eye strain and exposure and how it can affect your sleep patterns and your overall eye health. And they also come equipped with a 2-in-1 frame that also doubles as a set of sunglasses. Like that is able to protect your eyes from the UV rays outside with 100% UV protection, and they're also polarized, so you don't have to worry about those weird reflections or those glares outside either. So quickly getting into these guys' construction, these guys are constructed of a premium material that are meant to give you the same optical quality that you would find at your eye doctor, and the frames are super flexible and they feel durable as well. So if you're someone like me who will probably take these literally everywhere with you, I haven't been doing that lately already, you should be able to feel confident that you aren't going to completely thrash these from just taking them outside with you or something. And something else I wanted to highlight about these glasses is the comfort factor. Man, these things are comfortable. They're constructed of a material called Morph Flex is what they call it, and this ultra flexible material that you guys see right here is extraordinarily lightweight, I can attest that right now, and offers relief for those wearing hats. You honestly can't feel anything, or if you're wearing a headset while gaming. This is one of the biggies for you guys, I'm sure. You honestly cannot feel these things at all when you have a headset on, you guys. I have gamed and edited for like hours on end of sessions. You guys have seen me on stream doing this for 3 hours at a time, and I honestly don't even know that these guys are even on my head anymore. So I mentioned before that I would speak further on how the folks over at Gamer Advantage really care about your overall eye health, and with their eye candy daily supplement gummies they actually have right here, they are really pulling out all the stops, I think. So Eye Candy's multi-formula supplement provides essential nutrients to improve general eye health while offering key ingredients for a strong immune system. So these are mainly like what you see here as vitamin C supplements, but they also contain things like vitamin E, lutein, and I'm gonna try to say this, zeaxanthin or something like that. And studies have suggested that maintaining high levels of these nutrients leads to better vision, especially in low light or experiencing glare. So what I'm basically saying to you guys is not only do they provide you with a kick-ass set of glasses for gaming and editing, or kicking it outside with your friends, whatever you want to do, but they also back their products with all the health benefits of using them too. So I gotta say, I'm very glad they reached out to me to do this review, and the Sandbox gaming glasses are now like my everyday go-to glasses for everything I do. And additionally, you guys, they actually have a ton of information on their website regarding the scientific reasons that glasses such as these and supplements such as these are helpful in preventing the adverse effects of digital eye strain, blue light, and UV light as well. So if you guys are at all curious to read something like that, they also have a special promo code at the end of their reading. So if you guys read through the whole thing, you'll get yourself a little promo code, so I suggest you do that. Okay, so what's the catch with the Gamer Advantage ecosystem of products here? I tried to find something that I don't like about all this stuff, but honestly, I can't. Everything works as they describe, and I haven't had any issues using this stuff for over 2 weeks now. These gummies taste awesome, and they make me feel good. So I think maybe the only con of this bundle here for some of you out there may be the price. So the starter bundle with just the glasses here, non-prescription by the way, just the glasses and the microfiber pouch that you guys saw earlier, it starts at $79.99 and we go up from there pretty much. The deluxe bundle will run you about $99.99, and the elite bundle, which is basically what I have here minus a couple things, will be $129, and that basically has everything here except for the gummies and the fog away. Those are sold separately. And another another charge if you want prescription lenses. Yeah, that's gonna be another charge, so that will cost you another $80. And if you need readers put in these as well, that's gonna be another 30 bucks. So guys, if you were to grab everything that you see here that you saw in the video today, if you were to grab all of it, this would be a total of about $248.89. And now if you're seeing that number and immediately going, oof, I get it, but you know what they say, you guys, you get what you pay for. In the case of these glasses and all of their accessories here, I 100% agree with that sentiment. I think it's definitely worth it. That is just my opinion, you guys, and I'd love to hear yours. So be sure to comment down below what you think of these glasses and if you would consider buying them or any of the accessories that I mentioned today for your overall eye health or just for gaming, editing, whatever. So if you were able to learn something from all of this, be sure to drop a like on the video, and if you want to stay updated on my content, be sure to go ahead and get subscribed with those notifications on so you'll never miss when I upload a new video. And remember, take care of your eyes.